Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to log in to the MyPay Employee Portal by HR Alliance. This portal is an essential tool for employees to view their pay stubs, manage personal details, and access tax forms securely. Let's get started and walk through the login process step by step. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.hralliance.net/ee into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. In the website that opens, type your username here. Type your password here and click on the login button. If you don't remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into your MyPay Employee Portal by HR Alliance is simple and secure. If you have any questions or run into issues, leave a comment below or contact your HR department or portal support team for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials.